Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Rumble versus Cassiopeia. Let's dive into their early game strengths. Rumble, a short-range AP bruiser, thrives in early skirmishes, using his flamespitter and electro-harpoon to dominate. His unique heat mechanic adds a layer of complexity. Cassiopeia, on the other hand, is a sustained damage mage, relying on continuous spell casting and poison. Her noxious blast and twin fang provide strong lane presence, making her a formidable opponent from the start. 2, 3, 5, 11, 14, 17, 21, 22, 23, 28, 29, 30, 32, 33, 35, 40, 41. Moving into the mid-game, both champions show significant power. Rumble often hits his stride with his first completed item, like Liandry's Torment, allowing his flamespitter to melt through enemies. 6, 10, 20, 24, 37 His ultimate, the Equalizer, becomes a game-changer, capable of zoning and dealing massive area of effect damage. 3, 5, 7, 22, 28 Cassiopeia, however, scales exceptionally well with items, transforming into a continuous damage threat. 1, 4, 9, 15, 19, 25, 26, 29, 35, 39, 40, 41, 45. Her ability to spam Twin Fang on poison targets provides immense sustained damage, making her a force to be reckoned with. 2, 16, 17, 23, 29, 30, 35, 40. As the game progresses into its later stages, their roles in teamfights become clearer. Rumble's ultimate, the Equalizer, remains a powerful tool for controlling objectives and initiating fights, capable of dealing hundreds of damage over 5 seconds. 3, 5, 7, 22, 28, 34 He can dive backlines, disrupting carries with his shield and harpoons. 3, 5, 7, 8, 22, 28 Cassiopeia, however, truly shines as a hyper carry, capable of shredding tanks and squishies alike with her rapid-fire abilities. 9, 16, 29, 35, 36, 38, 41 Her Petrifying Gaze ultimate offers crucial crowd control, stunning enemies for 2 seconds, often turning the tide of engagements. 2, 9, 14, 17, 23, 29, 35. So which champion is better? Rumble excels for players who prefer burst damage, strong early game pressure, and impactful ultimate usage, especially in skirmishes. 7, 11, 24, 28, 32 Cassiopeia is ideal for those who enjoy sustained damage, scaling into a late-game carry and high skill expression, requiring precise spell casting. 9, 16, 29, 35, 36, 38, 41, 45 Ultimately, the better champion depends on your team composition, individual player skill, and preferred playstyle. 13, 18, 27, 31, 43 Both champions offer unique strengths and can absolutely dominate the game when played effectively, so choose the one that fits you best. 7, 11, 24, 25, 29, 35, 44.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.